Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you an exciting thing about one software, or you guys can say one plugin. Okay, so it's a very good plugin for beginners and advanced. So it's a very good plugin. So let's start our video. And before starting this video, as I said to everyone, Jai Siaram, Jai Mema Vachimali. So today I'm going to show you. First of all, let me show you this how it is good, right? It's a very exciting thing. See this effect, like it's very nice, right? So if I just put this right, see, wow. So if you guys want to know how I create this, actually I didn't create this. It's a third-party plugin, and like just for showing purpose, I'm just showing this now, just for showing purpose. See how it is cool animation, right? Special effects, basically. So if you guys see this, this is a one effect right here, and there's a one effect right here. So who provide me this, right? How I get this? So basically it's a plugin. So I specially thanks to AEJuice who provided this plugin. Okay, so basically let me show you one thing. This is the plugin. Okay, so they provided this plugin for me, the license. Thank you for that. So it's a plugin in which you guys can get too many templates like this, which I show you right now. The special effects, the LUTs, many kind of plugins you guys can take it. Okay, just you need to download this, purchase this plugin, and it's a very low price. And for now, if you guys notice this, there is a I want it or bundle lifetime package, which is 99% offer, and it is sold only $149, and it's too much less, right? So I specially recommended every guys to just purchase this one time, because if you guys just purchase this, you guys can get all the plugins in your software, right? And not only you guys can use this in Nuke, it's a standalone version. There is a multiple version you guys can get. For example, you guys can get this is for standalone. Okay, second up, you guys can get this for After Effects, Premiere Pro. Okay, like all this software, see all this software they are providing. Nuke also, right? So specially I just show you the Nuke only. Okay, if you guys want, see, this is a standalone version. So I downloaded this. Just you need to download this software, and after that, you first of all you have to purchase the software. After that, just go to the software, open the standalone version, and see all the elements. See how much is it, like super magical powers, impact, blast, okay, slims effect, right, trap code elements, every plugin, blast, wire zone, right, LUTs you guys can get, color correction you guys can get, too much plugin you guys can get, text animation, motion graphics, okay, any type of, see, horror LUTs, any kind of LUT. And it's a so time when I just making one video and it taking too much time, but using this plugin my video will be become more flexible and cool, right? See, so you guys can see too many plugins, right? Lighting effect, which I show you right now in Nuke. So blood pack, right, cyberpunk, okay, then magical, I mean movie special effects you guys can get, LUTs, color grading LUTs, okay, what is on fire, like every, see, so many plugins, right? Just you have to purchase this, see all the plugins you guys can get. And if I go to their site, see, so there's a limited time offer, just purchase this now, and it's a too many low price, I mean too much low price. See, 99% they are providing offer, right? Or other, I don't know who guys are providing, but they are providing. I want it all bundle lifetime, right? It's a lifetime, right? So don't wait for now, just visit their site, and after just visiting the site, see the download option, just go to this download. If you want for Mac OS, then you guys can just download, go to download for Windows, and you just need to register, right? Just go to this download option and just go to Windows, and after go to Windows, just download the plugin. Okay, and see the bundle budget, what, see how much it's taking, right? See, right? And if you guys just go down here, see everything you guys can get, see, right? So it's a all access yearly, and it's a all-time bundle, right? So just scroll this, see too much plugin. For DaVinci they are providing, for Premiere Pro they are providing, After Effects they are providing, right? All the 90%, 99% off, 50% off. So I see what, first of all, see this effect, right? It's looking so nice, right? And it's for only, if you guys purchase I want it all in bundle, you guys can this all effects, all these effects you guys can get, right? See, so it for indie filmmaker it become very flexible, so not to purchase high quality, or they are providing high quality graphics only, and it's a low price, so you guys don't need to purchase the high level price like this. Okay, see, this is a Black Friday offer, just go and visit their sites and purchase this. These are 99% off. If you guys come down here, see all these elements you guys can get, see nice, right? See, right? All these things you guys can get really, and I also show you in nuke right now. So see, just purchase their site, okay? Just visit this. There's a free plugin, okay? Product, see all the product, okay? All the resources are there. You guys can log in, okay? So it's a Black Friday offer. After visiting the site, just download it, and let me show you on After Effects also. So see in After Effects, when I'm just opening my After Effects, if I just taking a project for now, like if I want to create something, like I just create new composition, right? Just random purpose. Let me take a solid here and just go to this Windows, see, and there's a extension, right? And now after extension comes this here, right? A plugin. So if I on this, the tab will open here, see, it's opening, right? So they're providing like this plugin only. Same for Premiere also, you guys can get in Premiere Pro, so don't need to worry about color loss, color grading, and it's a very flexible thing, trust me, okay? Because I am using this, okay? See all the elements I can get, right? So there's a thing of this, okay? So it's a very cool cool plugin, okay? Just purchase this all this, okay? It might take a loading time, just you need to purchase this, okay? After it solve, it will solve, right? So let me go here. There's a thing, okay? Just visit the site and just download all the plugin, okay? And after just single time download, you guys can get standalone version also and also the plugin version, right? So download both the software and just install in your machine and just enjoy, right? So all the thing you guys can get, see, and it's at so low price, right? Just visit their site and just go to AEJuice and download the Windows version or Mac OS version. After this, just check all the, and also it's 99% off again, I'm telling, okay? Just go to read more and just check all the things which they are providing, okay? And also if you guys watch the trailer here also, so see, there's a thing they are providing, okay? They are providing this much things, see, right? So it's very, for me it's a very cool thing, right? So just visit their size, okay? Just check the trailer also and see all the things. So they are providing too much things. It's a early Black Friday offer and they are providing many plugins in the software. If you guys just purchase the software, okay, you guys can get this multiple things, okay? And it will, for indie filmmakers who want to do filmmaking or want to create own movie short films, okay, for YouTube purpose or any other purpose, they can purchase this plugin and they will get everything in one software, okay? That's the main thing. You don't need to visit other site for this effect, just download the software and you guys can get all the thing, like from starting from fire effect, flood effect, magical power, super power, okay, LUTs, color grading, everything, sound effects, everything in one software, one plugin, AEJuice, right? So just visit their site, purchase this for now because it's a Black Friday offer, 99% off, and it's a limited time offer, okay? So don't wait, trust me, it's a very cool plugin, okay? You guys can get multiple things as I show you, okay? So don't wait for now, just visit their site and just purchase this 99% offer, okay? I want it bundle lifetime package, okay? It's a very good package, okay? So don't wait for now, just purchase this and enjoy your short film and just make something cool, right? Try to create something cool with this plugin, okay? So that's the main purpose of their plugin actually, and that's the motto of this video. So just trust me and just purchase this now, as I say. So okay, and thank you again for just providing me the license. I especially thank you AEJuice for providing me the license. And also guys, just don't do it, it's a limited time only offer. Just visit their site and purchase this plugin. Trust me, it's a very real, good plugin, okay? So thank you, and I hope you guys like this video and I hope you guys purchase this software, this plugin, okay? Because really it's a very good plugin for me, okay? And I am using this plugin, okay? So I hope you guys like this video and I hope you guys like this plugin also. Before ending this video, as I said, you everyone, Jai Siya Ram, Jai Mama.